Hi, Kalas.
Hello.
How can SME can hire a good HR for their venture?
See, basically what happens is in every SME goes through an evolution. When they are a startup, what they really have to sell is the people who are involved in the company startup rather than the brand. Because if I have to join an SME, I would not really work for the pay packet or really work for the branding that they are trying to do. I would work for the person who actually has a vision, and I'm going to share their vision. So what we try to do is we try to sell their vision and say this is the person who is the co-founder and he's the one who's going to lead the company for the next 5 years, and you're going to be working with him, and obviously you're going to be looking at future with him. So that's how we try to promote the SMEs.
Okay, right. It is so important for output, better output for any MSME.
I think mentoring at any stage is very important. However, someone who is at a startup stage is very important because he knows that there is a vision, but he doesn't know how to execute that vision. Today I know I want to become a such a star company, or I want to become a number 2 company or a number 1, but I don't know the vision. I don't know that how I'm going to execute that vision. So the mentoring is really important in that sense, that today that person can share the experiences, can bring in the investment, can bring in the portfolios, can bring in clients, bring in the entire gamut of responsibilities which this person has imagined or probably seen only in theory. This person will bring in the practical knowledge which you and I will not be aware of. If you're talking about mentoring or you're talking about motivating the employees, is very important because that's what he's joining the company for. He's looking at the vision that you want him to share. So today, if you don't motivate him enough, he would not be able to share the same vision or the passion. At the end of the day, you want him to be working with you, late nights, or going for a meeting which he's probably not even being paid for. So what is the kind of motivation these people look for? People who join the startups are looking at motivation, that the growth prospects that they have, the ESOPs probably that they work on, and also in terms of the designation or the profile that they're going to work, the freedom that they have. I think these are a lot of aspects that we can work on if you're looking at providing a motivation for your employees.
Okay, right. We have seen trends to give ESOPs to employees. So what is this all about?
See, ESOPs is something that any startup can usually look at offering to the new employees, because if they're looking at a pay packet which they can't afford, what is that you can offer other than your salary or in terms of monetary benefit? The only thing that you can look at is a growth in the company or the equity. Now, if I'm an employee joining an organization, I know that 5 years down the line, this company is going to get listed. So I'm going to calculate my vision and say, okay, this is the kind of revenue or the output or the growth that I'm going to look at for myself.
Okay, right. So how can your company Morpheus can help to hiring for MSME?
See, Morpheus being a startup himself, has been through an evolution. So what happens is that today we talk about meeting up all these startup organizations and tell them that every organization goes through a phase. Today when they talk about their challenges when they have in terms of hiring any employee, we tell them we understand, and therefore we provide them flexibility in terms of payments, in terms of replacement. The charges are very limited. So we understand that today they are growing and tomorrow they're going to grow, and we want to be a part of their growth story as well.
Great. How you guys are different than your other competitors?
See, we focus on a certain segment, we focus on a certain management skills, and therefore our presence, obviously, if SME is going to penetrate further into his territory, he's going to look at the company which has got a pan-India presence and has got an employee strength to support him, even not right now, but even for the growth in the future. We've got more than 200 employees on board. We've got nearly 16 locations. We've got presence in Middle East, Africa. So today, a company which is a startup looking at a presence on a pan-India or even in the beyond the continent has the support from Morpheus.